I have made a video about how to record your screen on your iPad. If you want to check out the video, click here. Here's how you can do it on your iPhone. First, open up Settings. Then go to Control Center, which is under General. Make sure that Access within apps is turned on because you want to be able to screen record whenever you're using your phone. Then tap on Customize Controls, and you'll see a list of shortcuts that you have under Control Center. What I mean by Control Center is the menu that you can have when you are swiping down from the top right corner of your display, or if you have a phone that has a home button, then you swipe up from the very bottom of your phone screen. And then make sure that screen recording is on the top list. If you don't see screen recording on the top list, tap onto the plus sign of screen recording option at the bottom, and then it will be added to the top. That's how you add the shortcut to the Control Center. After that, all you need to do is to turn on Control Center or open up Control Center, and you will see an option that is kind of like this. Not kind of, but that looks like this, kind of like a circle. That's the screen recording button. All you need to do is to tap onto that option, and it will do a 3 seconds countdown, and then it will start recording your screen. You will see a red indicator or recording icon at the top left corner of your phone screen showing you that the screen is being recorded. That's how you do it. After you recorded the screen, it will be a video in your Photos app. That's how you can check back the video. That's it. Thanks for watching. Remember, recording your screen is just for you to do something that is going to help you remember stuff or to demonstrate something in a video format. Don't record anything that is inappropriate or has copyright. Let's keep it clean. If you have any questions or things you want to learn, leave them in the comment section below. If you think this video is helpful, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to the channel to help it grow. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.